everybody, just a quick update. I want to let you guys know I got some more sprouts. Okay, so I haven't had these. I used to get these at Winco. These are mung beans, and you will know these as the bean sprouts, the white long bean sprouts that you get in the store. This is how they're grown, is in these beans. So you can kind of see this. I'm getting all of these on Amazon. Mung bean sprouting. Really simple to use. So I got a pound of these for I think $9, $8.99. Not a bad price, and there's a ton of these, you guys. So I just put a little bit in this jar last night. I soaked them overnight, and they're already sprouting. So I have some sprouts already in here, and these are so good. I just snack on these. I love them. So I'm gonna put these over here, but I'm gonna close them. So I got another one too from Food to Live, and this is the first time I've ever tried this company. It was the first time when I got these. So this one is a little bit different. It's supposed to be a little bit spicier. I'll turn these around, and you can see it says spicy mix. Okay, so this is organic salad mix of sprouting seeds. This is all organic. Broccoli, alfalfa seeds, clover seeds, and radish seeds. And this is really good. This one is really good. I have bags and bags and bags of this in my refrigerator. So if you guys know me and I'm close and you want a bag of sprouts, just please let me know and I will bring you a bag of sprouts. Particularly those that see me every day. You guys know who you are. I know there's a lot of you watching. So if you want sprouts, you want to put sprouts and tomatoes and stuff, make wraps like I do every day. I make wraps with these awesome things I get at Aldi. This one is tomato, sun-dried tomato. Oh, I'm so tired. And then the other one that I use is spinach. And this one I bought because it says spicy, and I wanted a little bit of a kick. I've been looking for that because the radishes give you a good kick. It's just a little bit spicy. It's not that much, but it has a little bit more flavor. So this one has broccoli seeds, alfalfa seeds, and radish seeds. And while they're really good, and I bought a pound of these, okay, they're really good. They're delicious. I still haven't found that kick that I'm looking for. So if anyone has any ideas on what sprouts that have just a little bit of spiciness, just a little kick, that's what I'm looking for. Because these are so good, and I've been using them every single day. And these right here are all my black cherry tomatoes and some peas, and a couple of my Chelsea tomatoes, better known as Sun Gold. I will always call them Chelsea tomatoes after my granddaughter. But these I'm picking probably about 10 to 15 a day. So I've been using these, cutting them up in sandwiches, and then just eating them as a snack because they're so good. Really sweet. And for all my new viewers, please go back and watch some of my videos. If you have any questions at all, please leave a comment. Or if you know me personally, you can always talk to me and I will always help you. You guys know that. So this is what I've been doing. And I got my mung beans right there. I think yesterday while I was at work. So I put these in a jar. I soaked them overnight. I didn't put many in there, but this is a 1.5 pint jar. And I sprouted these, and by tomorrow, I will show you guys tomorrow if I have time. They're already sprouting. I don't know if you could see that. I sure hope you can, because they are already sprouting, and these guys grow super quick. So I put about a half a cup of beans in a 1.5 pint jar, and these are going to be awesome. So I really can't wait. And then the rest that you see here, this is my Herbalife shake for the morning. My Blendtec is ready. One of my canisters ready. Anybody who knows me and sees me every day knows that I bring 3 different canisters, water and shake mix, and aloe vera and water mixed together. So I'm trying to eat this really, really healthy diet. I have really healthy lunches that I'm doing. I'm doing the yogurt mixes every day, the yogurt granola, and fruit. So tomorrow I have yogurt granola and strawberry. And a lot of people have been asking me again to do the videos about that, and I will. Not today because I've already made my lunch for tomorrow and my breakfast. So I'm going to be doing that probably tomorrow night. I'm also making masks. I'm getting my garden going, and I will take you guys out there really quickly and update you. I've planted all of my tomatoes. So all the tomatoes that I was waiting on Burpee. Wow, lots of birds out here. They finally, I was waiting for them forever, and I finally got them planted. So here is my garden. Here's the majority of the garden is right here. Right here I have some radish seeds growing, some Thai basil, which I absolutely adore, and some more Thai basil, and a fig that I got from one of my neighbors. I have a fig tree, and it doesn't have anything on it right now. So I get figs from my neighbors here, and I make fig jam all the time. So I'm really excited about the radishes. Again, it's probably about 4 inches, so they should do fine. My rosemary. I did plant my zucchini, finally. That was in those little teeny 2-inch pots. And then my tomatoes are here. Let's see. Oh, gotta pick this up. I'm gonna show you my zucchini is coming along so well. It looks so good. Look at that. Okay, so I am so excited. My first garden here at the new house. Look at that. Lots of zucchini. And there are 6 plants in here. I know everything looks like it's kind of together, but there's 6 plants in here are Mexican squash. I've never grown this before. I've always grown 8-ball zucchini, which I have some seeds for, but I'm not sure if I'm going to get a chance to plant that. But these are they are going crazy. Look at that. There's a zucchini there. Zucchini there. Zucchini are everywhere, you guys, on this. So my friends and family are going to be getting a lot of that. And spinach, we have a ton of spinach. We eat spinach in salad, but we also eat it cooked. And it's so good, and it's so good for you. So we have a lot of that. We have eggplants coming. We have my basil plant from last year that came back really well. I planted some more of the zucchini that I grew from seed. And I do want to show you my green beans, because I was going to pick them today, but I didn't get a chance. So I'm probably going to pick them tomorrow. But look at that. Looks great. And there's a ton of them on here. The whole bush is they're filled with green beans. So I can honestly pick 3 green beans right now. Whoops, come on. No, 4 green beans. So there's a couple really, really big ones here. Plenty of green beans to pick. So I'm probably going to wait a few days. I'm going to have the first harvest for dinner, like I said. And then the rest is going to be canned. See that? All those green beans in there. And then here, there's just a ton of them in there. Ton. So, not happy with the peas at all. I've been getting peas. They're in the wrong place. They're getting too much sun. So, my husband made me a place. And it's all messed up today. Really sorry. Oh, I have a asparagus coming up over here. There's a little tiny asparagus. You guys probably can't see it, but it is coming up. Planted some new tomato plants over here. There's 3 of them. This is going to be my tomato row. I picked about 15 tomatoes today. The black cherry ones, and a couple of my Chelsea tomatoes. We were supposed to go out and get some tomato cages today, but we didn't make it, and today's my only day off. So we're gonna have to do that later on. My cucumbers, look at that. Look at that. They are doing amazing. Amazing. This water, this pipe right here comes from our ice maker, and I'll show you guys that in a minute. But my husband put it here for the ice maker. The cucumbers are absolutely loving this. They are just adoring this. And so are the tomatoes. The tomatoes, it's underground watering. It is so good. Oh, I see a tomato that I didn't pick. Oh my gosh, there's 2 of them down here. Wow, I actually missed these. Look at that. 2 really, these tomatoes, the black cherry tomatoes, they are so good. More tomatoes. That's my dill, my oregano, my onion, my cilantro. We're going to decide what to do with that. So I planted some. Here's the tomatoes, and over here, here's the rest of the pipe. Okay, that's deliberate. I'm going to be putting my peas here. So it's going to be having a little bit less water. My tomato plant is really getting watered. I really don't like that. My husband also bought me these really awesome lights. So when the sun goes down, these are all solar and they're LED. And it lights up the entire garden with just this one light. It's so cool. Excuse me. And, oh, there goes my ice maker. And then let's see. I think that's it. I've got to start these. Start some stuff in here. Some more green beans, some more peas. Get these Thai basil growing. Can't wait for these. I use the Thai basil in everything that I cook. Absolutely. Oh, excuse me. Absolutely love it. So this has tons and tons and tons of buds on it. And this has been giving me tomatoes almost before we planted it. It's been growing crazy. So that's one thing that I like about the Bonnie plants that are really good. Yes, I paid $17.99 for this. It was in a I want to say 2-gallon bucket, I think. But it was fully mature. It was already giving tomato plants and well worth the money. And it's grown quadruple size. So there you guys go. There's my garden. My tomatoes that I'm picking. The oranges on my tree. I've got tons of these too. Here's Loquat. These are Loquat plants. And my Loquats, I'm afraid I don't know if I'm going to get to these. We've been eating them, but I don't think I have enough to do a whole lot. And they're already starting to rot. They have such a short growing cycle. There's some new ones coming in that I might do something with, but these right here, I totally missed it. I wasn't here. There's some over there. So there are some that I can do some stuff with. And I think that if I look up what I can mix the jam with, then maybe I'll get a better idea of what I can do with them, because I'm not going to have enough for a full a batch of jam. So there you have it. There's our hot tub, my Serenity. So going back inside, put my tomatoes in here with the other 2 tomatoes. So yeah, so I'm making masks. I got a bunch cut out, but I didn't get any sewed. It's just been one of those days. So just wanted to update you guys. I will probably do an update tomorrow. Hopefully we'll be making some strawberry jam and some more blueberry jam tomorrow. This is one of my peach jars, and I do want to say that I do make spiced peach jam, and I make apricot jam. I mean, I do everything, but those are coming up. So if you have any suggestions that you want to see, or, things I've already done that you want to see a little bit differently, meats and such, things like that, Let me know what you guys want to see. Leave a comment. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe and hit that bell so that you're notified of all of my videos when they come out. And I will see you soon. And I so appreciate you guys. We have reached 4,500 subscribers. And you know what that means. We are going to be doing a huge giveaway. So I have a couple days off coming up. And we're going to do a huge giveaway. I'm not sure how we're going to do it, how we're going to decide on it. But let's start with, what do you like to can or dehydrate? Or what would you like to see me can or dehydrate? So if you've made it through this entire video, I'm going to have you do a code word. And the code word is going to be Noah, N-O-H-A. So let me know that you've made it all the way through this by leaving a comment with the word Noah and what you want to see me can, what you have canned. What's your favorite canned item? And what's your favorite dehydrated item? Let me know. And we're going to do, like I said, we're going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away either Amazon gift cards or canning books from Amazon or dehydrating books from Amazon, depending on what you guys like to do, because I know I have a lot of viewers that like to do different things. Gardening books, things like that. So you guys have been with me since the beginning. You know that I like to give away stuff. And 4,500 is a big number, and this is our 3rd anniversary here on YouTube, and I really want to thank you guys. So yeah, leave the code word Noah and what you like to dehydrate or can. What's your favorite thing, or what's your favorite video that you've watched that you've learned from me? Tell me what you've learned from watching me. I know a lot of you guys have been with me since the beginning, and that's 3 years. That's 3 years ago this July. So we've done a lot together. I know most of you guys. I think I know 3/4 of my viewers. Not so much the newer ones, but that'll change. You know, I answer all comments. I try to get to every one of you guys and be as personal as I can, because that's the way I want my channel to be. And I would love to give you guys some stuff to give away and help me celebrate the 4,500 subscribers, because that's a big achievement. So thank you for watching, you guys. Hit the like button. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit the bell. Leave a comment. Let me know you're here. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.